Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn what are neural networks, how they work, and why they are important. So let's start the video. So what is neural network? A neural network is a system inspired by the human brain that learns patterns from the data using interconnected units called neurons. Neural network has three layers: input layer, hidden layer, and output layer. In input layer, an input is the raw data. Next is a hidden layer, which extracts patterns from the input data. And the last is the output part, where there is the final prediction. Why neural network is important? Neural networks are important because they can handle unstructured data such as messy photos, complex medical scans, human speech, and so on. It can learn complex patterns automatically. They are the backbone of modern AI systems. Hence, without neural networks, we would not have self-driving cars, image recognition, voice assistants, chatbots. Neural network versus deep learning. We'll often hear that neural networks and deep learning used interchangeably, but there is a key difference between them. Neural network is the basic structure with few layers, whereas deep learning is a neural networks with many layers. Therefore, it is called as a deep. Today's modern AI systems use deep learning. Now, let's see what are the neural network layers. The first is input layer, where it receives raw data such as image, text, audio, and so on. Next is the hidden layers, where it extracts the features of input and it performs computations by recognizing patterns in the input. The last is output layer, where it produces the result. How neural network works? Actually, it works in a loop. Step 1 is the forward propagation. Here, input data flows through the layers. Each connection has its weight and bias. Step 2 is the prediction. Here, the network makes a prediction of the output. And step 3 is calculating loss. Here, we compare the model's guess output to the actual answer, and the difference between them is called the loss or error. Step 4 is the back propagation. This is the learning phase. The network goes backward and adjusts its weight to reduce the error in the next round. So this is how the neural network works. Now let's see the types of neural networks. NN, Artificial Neural Network. It is the standard version for simple data. CNN, Convolutional Neural Network. It is best for computer vision. It can be used for identifying objects, facial recognition, medical imaging, and so on. RNN, Recurrent Neural Network. It is great for sequential data, such as time series data, music, speech, and so on. Therefore, these are some of the types of the neural network. Now, let's see the advantages of neural networks. It can handle huge amounts of data. It has high accuracy in complex tasks. It can continue to learn and improve. It is scalable. In the same way, there are some disadvantages too. It requires larger GPUs for computing. And there is a black box problem. That means it is difficult to explain why it is made certain decision. It needs massive amounts of data to be effective. There is a risk of overfitting. The applications of neural networks are image recognition, speech recognition, chatbots, recommendation systems, healthcare, social media, self-driving cars. Okay, these are some of the applications of neural networks. Okay, this is all for neural networks. We learned that neural networks are the foundation of deep learning. They are the systems of connected neurons. They learn patterns or structures from input data. They improve their result through the process of different repetitions. Hence, we can say that neural networks are the closest we have come to creating machines which learn and act like humans do. Okay, this much for today. I hope you like this video. If you do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching till the end. I will come with a new topic in the next episode.